Hello, good morning, guys and girls. Today I am going to introduce you the Edwin Checklist Natural Method of Physical Training. You see, I am a man of mid 30s, I mean 35 plus, and whenever anybody talks about fitness, we do get jittery, and I do get jittery. That I always feel that we should be fit enough, and because that is required to be fit, to be happy. So many times I used to search YouTube videos, try some method. They talk about free body weights, this weight, that weight, tabata, tamota, whatever, all methods of physical training. My search of being fit with minimum effort has introduced me to Mr. Edwin Checkley. Edwin Checkley's Natural Method of Physical Training has come out in around 1920s. I'm talking about 1920s when there is no this modern equipment and all. Edwin Checkley in his book has said that all the modern, I'm talking about 1920s, all the modern physical fitness regimes doesn't lay emphasis on the most important organ of the human body, that is the lungs. He describes the lungs as the engine, the prime mover of the whole body. When everybody talks about the muscles, toning of the muscles, bulking, making the muscles look bulky and all, nobody talks about lungs, even the modern fitness regimes which we talk about. Edwin Checkley's natural method looks something similar to yoga, some of the yoga asanas, but it is like a more basic version. And the prime thing which Edwin Checkley talks about is how we should breathe. The book of Edwin Checkley is available on public domain for free and anybody can download. I have given the links of Edwin Checkley's book Natural Method of Physical Training, and you can download it from there. That the prime motive of this video is to introduce you to the Edwin Checkley system, and also to show some of the exercises outlined by Mr. Edwin Checkley in his book. Edwin Checkley has given a specific chapter on how to breathe and how to carry your body. If you see in the following figures, the figure number 3 which is being shown, you can see that how we should stand. When we are standing, you see the toe and the nose of the figure 3 are in same line. The chest also is not completely protruding out as shown in the figure 2, and the body should be straight. This is how we should carry our body, and what Checkley says, we should make it a habit to carry the body like this. And when coming to the chapter on how to breathe, Edwin Checkley very firmly says, I don't say sarcastically, but very firmly says that by doing every day some half an hour exercise, morning 15 minutes, 30 minutes or whatever exercise, you cannot expect that your body will be performing free and good. He says that we should make a habit of proper breathing and make a habit of proper carry of our body weight. So when he says about proper breathing, generally when even in some of the yoga classes, when people, because I was also under this misconception that breathing deeply means breathing into your tummy, but you should not breathe into your tummy, because there are no organs in your tummy which uses oxygen. The air which you are taking inside should go to the lungs, because it is in the lungs where the primary exchange of gases take place, because the air goes inside and it goes to the alveoli, and the alveoli exchanges the oxygen and carbon dioxide. That exchange of gases takes place in the lungs. So instead of focusing that our breathing goes to lungs, we focus that our breath goes into the stomach. So here Checkley says the basic method of breathing. So whenever what Checkley says, because you are habituated to shallow breathing or deeping into your stomach, we have to consciously breathe into your lungs. I mean, breathing into the lungs means when you are breathing, our chest should go out and it should expand. I mean, it should expand right round. I mean, it should go out and it should go to the sides. I mean, circumferentially it should expand. I mean, expanding the chest, generally when we say people to expand chest, they artificially expand by using the muscles, but that is not the correct method. So this is what checklist is, how to breathe properly. For better understanding, you can download the book and please read it, because getting first-hand information from the book is much more than listening to the perception of another people of the same book. And thank you. And in the next video, we will present you the exercises, the videos of the exercises which Mr. Edwin Checkley has suggested. Thanks for watching, and this is the Like to be Mad channel.